Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars. I'm actually here in Kansas today with my buddy Matt at his yard, and we're gonna look at some of his vintage iron. We'll get Matt on here in a little bit to explain the real rare stuff he's got. Probably be a 2 or 3 part video here. Just take in all the rare and clean Kansas iron. For being 6 years old, the floors are in them, interiors are in them, just sun faded and sun baked. Perfect patina. 58 Olds Fiesta, 4-door wagon. He's a big Mopar guy, big fin guy. He likes anything with fins. 60 Pontiac flat top. Mainly all these cars he picks up are either junkyard bound or just forgotten about, and he buys them off people that they just sit in the field. So he brings them here, puts them on wheels, and gives them shelter from being parted out or crushed. 1960 Cadillac 4-door hardtop. That's a cool car with an electronic eye, which is pretty much standard on any Cadillac. 69 convertible, I believe. Had some previous body work done. 1959 Oldsmobile 4-door hardtop. Another cool car. 1960 Buick Invicta wagon. Very rare car. And it's got the 3rd row seat. Incredibly rare, especially in a Buick. All this hard to find stainless is here, which is a Buick and Olds only thing. Along the roof line here. It's also got a 6-way power seat and air conditioning. Couple big fin Plymouths, 58, 59, 60, 61. He likes all that stuff. As you can see, it's just rows and rows of old cars. Pontiac sedan delivery, that's a rare car. Here's another 60 Buick wagon. This is a little Sabre, and it was hit hard in the door. It's got dealer air, but no other options. 63 Impala 2-door hardtop. They're a good, clean patina Kansas car. No options, has some bucket seats in the back here. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. 60 Pontiac. Hit real hard on the side. 2-door sedan. Just loaded full of parts. This one's one of my favorites here. 59 Bonneville 2-door hardtop. Somebody loaded it horribly before he got it. As you can see, the floors really are pretty much still in the car. The toe pan obviously needs replaced, but it's pretty common on any 59 GM. And you have a 60 Ford Galaxy. It's a 4-door sedan. Nice old Ford truck here. Beautiful patina. Here's what's left of a 60 Impala, 2-door hardtop, factory black on red. And a 59 Bel Air, really clean car. If it was used as a donor in its previous life. As you can see, the 60 is just mangled. This was in a field for a long time. Here's one I actually tried to buy some parts off of at one time, 58 Buick Limited. But the money shot is right there, it's an electronic eye. If anyone knows of any 58s, 59 Chevrolet, Pontiac, Buick, or Oldsmobile with that electronic eye, I am looking for the eye and an amplifier box for it. So please keep me in mind if you guys find anything. .421 Pontiac. Really rare car, very clean. Nice patina. Bucket seats are still in it. Back seat, black leather. Just can't go wrong with that. Couple 60 Buicks, both 4-door sedans right here. But my love, obviously, is a 59 Chevy. It's a factory black 4-door Biscayne. Very nice and clean body, clean grille, no motor trans. This one would not be hard at all to put back on the road. Doors are locked. 61 or 2 Pontiac wagon with a roof rack. '59 Oldsmobile, 98 2-door hardtop. This is another rare car. He has the Oldsmobile here and the Pontiac right there. Power windows. It's probably got a power seat in it, but no electronic eye or air conditioning. Beautiful patina to it as well. Here's what I believe is a 59 Ford. 4-door sedan. Sapphire with a white two-tone. And that's sitting next to a 61 or 62 4-door hardtop Pontiac. Here's a 61 Bel Air. The fenders have been fixed. It's actually the first set of fenders I've seen for a 61 that aren't totally actually blown out there. And again, this is a really clean Kansas car. Here's some more of that LeSabre wagon. Let's see if we can get the door open. Nope. Everything's there though. Good fixer for sure. Just needs a door. Matt's got a lot more killer stuff inside. I'm gonna get him on here in a second and talk about some of his finds. So the next video that you guys see will actually be the rarer stuff here. Dodge, I want to say it's I don't know, 61, 60, 59. Someone tell me in the comments here what we got, but it's a two-door hardtop. 60 Ford wagon. Tri-5 Pontiac Star Chief 2-door hardtop. God, it's hard not to love the fins on a car like that. The Mopars of the era, just the fins were so radical and goofy, but they're just so cool to look at. So alright, you guys, this is the end of the video for today. If you enjoyed this first part, make sure to leave a like, comment your favorite car in the bunch, subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for part 2 and possibly part 3 with Matt talking about all these cars here. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and I'll catch you next time.